So there's four main areas that I think you need to think about when developing a flat rate program. The first is, are you truly an expert and really understand the particular field of law? When you're deciding what you should do a flat rate program on, you need to make sure it's something you really understand and you don't have to take a lot of time to learn all the intricacies of the area of law. So the second thing you want to think about when you're charging flat rates is we want to have good systems in place. Our goal as attorneys now is to keep our time down, which is kind of the opposite of what we're used to doing. It's how quickly can you move through this was still doing a really good job for the client. The third rule that you need to think about when you're starting your flat rate programs is charging enough. We're trying to make 2 to 3 times your hourly rate when you're doing a flat rate program because you are so efficient and so good at what you're doing that that's the value. And then the fourth and final tip I have about flat fees. You need to set limits in the engagement form. This is incredibly critical because most attorneys will tell you that if they've charged a flat rate and lost money, it's because the client kept them on the phone 2 hours every time they called, or because the matter spiraled out of control and there was all this back and forth and it just took them forever and nothing ever closed. It went on for 2 years and it was a huge loss. To prevent that, the flat rate needs to have boundaries.